Most people think the only way to get leads on Facebook is by running Facebook ads. And that's why they are stuck, burning money they don't have, chasing people who aren't interested and never seen any real traction. But what if I told you with just 15 minutes a day, no ads, no budget, Facebook can start sending you a massive flood of free leads straight into your inbox? In this training video, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT bot to speed up your posting process when you are doing the Facebook comment thread post, okay? And in today's training, there are so many bots out there that you can use, okay? And today, I'm gonna use my mentor, Jonathan Montoya, his bot for this demonstration purpose, okay? So number one, log into your ChatGPT account, then you're gonna click on GPTs, click on it. Then this is the ChatGPT marketplace. You can find all kinds of different custom built bots on this page. What you need to do, just simply search Jonathan Montoya. Then it will show you all the public bots that Jonathan put to the marketplace, okay? So the one we're gonna be using today will be viral content creator. Click on it, start chat. All right, so like this, let's use this, okay? So there are two areas. You can create viral comment letter post for your offer, or you can see examples from Jonathan, his posts, right? So let me show you like this one. It will show you all the top performing posts that Jonathan posted, okay? Then you can see, let's say we want to see this one. It will take you to his original post, right? So you can actually get some inspiration from the post, okay? I'm gonna go back to the last page. Now, we're gonna actually create a viral letter post for my offer. I'm gonna use pop as an example, okay? So click on it. It will ask you, right, to tell this bot about your offer. So two questions that you need to answer, okay? What's your offer? Who is your target audience? So you should have a document like this one, okay? This is my current pop offer campaign. So I have a comprehensive offer description on a Google document. So every time I need to get the information of my current offer, I just simply copy paste everything from here. All right. If you are selling pop, I'm gonna put this document somewhere, okay, on this video, so you guys can literally take this and use it as your example, okay? If you are selling other offers, then you can use ChatGPT, right, to create your offer document like this. So let's just copy this. Now go back to ChatGPT. Here is my current offer. Then I just simply paste everything in here. Then I'm gonna keep typing. My target audience is busy 9-to-5ers who live paycheck to paycheck and want to be successful and make more money online. That's it. Then let's hit enter. Boom. Let's see how quickly you can come up with a post using this bot. All right, so here is the main post. You are working 40 hours a day, barely surviving, while others make $1,000 days with digital products. Then pointing down below, here is comment number 1, comment number 2, comment number 3, comment number 4, comment number 5, comment number 6, comment number 7, right? You just drop all this in a comment one by one. Then final offer, comment number 8. Okay, so let me see. All right, now I can fix it if I want to change it, right? For example, pop digital course. What if I don't want to mention a particular product name? I want people to DM me or comment first, right? So I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to fix it. Don't mention the product name, pop, but say Facebook AI profit accelerator, and in each comment have people comment or DM me FB like that. Okay, let's see. All right, so comment number 1, comment number 2, digital franchise method. The Facebook AI profit accelerator gives you the entire automated sales system. Boom, I like it. Okay, all right, so this post is ready to go. I'm gonna actually posting it right now, but this is how you can use Jonathan's bot. If you are using his bot, make sure you follow Jonathan, okay? You can find his profile on Facebook. Let me just show you, right? Jonathan Montoya, okay? He was my first mentor, and right now is the partner of me and Nathan for our coaching offer. This bot, super powerful. It can help you produce many